Welcome to Alani's Adventures. It's me, Alani from Alani the Explorer. Today, I'm at my very own house. I was just watering my own plants, and I found a nest in my rose plant right here. And I found eggs in there. I found eggs. So when I went inside, I did some research on Google, and it said it was laid by a northern mockingbird. So then when I discovered it, I was going to say a trap, but then when I was saying the trap, I saw the parent. So I'm like, whoa, I actually saw the parents. So I told my neighbor, and then I thought I saw the parents already on a tree, but I was wrong.
I wonder if it's still in there. We don't want to disrupt it. I'll see if we can see the eggs.
Bye, explorers. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay exploring. Bye.